Hi, Robin here, back again with another video. I thought I'd come out to this location close to my house to try and fly in FPV mode because I've not really tried it before. So if you're new to the channel or new to drones, FPV mode is where the camera is stationary to the drone. Because if you see at the moment, it's got a gimbal, so it will keep orientated to the horizon. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in FPV mode to show you what it will look like. Just going to go ahead and record my screen. I forgot to do that. Screen recorder. Start recording. Actually, first thing I'll check is the safety features. So I'm going to click takeoff permitted. Return to home altitude 60 meters, yep. Maximum altitude, maximum distance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the FPV mode, which is in camera, I believe. Nope, control. So there it is there, gimbal mode, follow mode. So FPV mode, if you can see that, when I tilt the drone, the actual view turns. So we're going to have some fun and go fly in FPV mode. Let's go ahead and turn the maps on. I like to see the actual maps. So you push. I always forget what button it is there, satellite. Right, so we got a fresh battery, 100%. I'm going to do a hand takeoff today. Right, let's go flying. I think I'm going to go out by them two trees you can see over there. There. Right, so here goes. Got 17 satellites, takeoff from mid. Let's go. Auto takeoff. Actually, one thing I wanted to do, I'm going to land, turn my strobe on. Let's go ahead and land. Yeah, I'm going to put the strobe on today. I'm not sure what colour to try. Let's go ahead, hold there in. Probably not white, probably red. Yeah, if you can see it on camera. That's not too bright, the red though. Green. Ah, there you go. Green strobe. Right, let's do that again. Let's take off. Auto takeoff. Right, take off. We'll start recording. Actually, I'll bring the drone down so you can see it. We're in cine mode at the moment. Hope you can see it on camera. Right, so start recording and let's go flying then. Let's do something I like to do is a reverse takeoff. Let's go back a bit. By going back and up, it looks good on camera. Let's lower that gimbal down a bit. Now we'll slowly go up and back and then gradually increase speed. And there we go. That gets a great view. Right, let's spin around and see what these fields now look a bit brown. We need some water. I think it's barley or wheat. I'm not a farmer, I don't really know. Right, let's go ahead and turn the drone around in FPV. So we are recording. Right, let's turn around. That's not in FPV mode yet. Go back to the settings. Follow mode. FPV mode. Oh no, it is, of course. When you yaw, it won't show up because the drone's only going around. So it's when you turn. Right. So where's those two trees there? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go forward and left. I'm going to go forward for a bit and then left. There we go. So that's FPV mode. You can get some stunning shots. Now, are we clear of those trees? Yes, I believe. It doesn't look like it on the camera, but yet we are. Actually, I'm going to raise up when we get to those trees. We're at 20 meters high. Still see the drone. I didn't think it was windy today, but it is quite windy. So let's do some turns. First we do some slow turns, because we're in cine mode. and soon we'll put it on sport. So we're heading on back through those 2 trees. Let's lower that gimbal down a bit. Where is she there? "50 meters high." Let's come down a bit. Right, where are we? We are here. There we are there. So let's go ahead. This is quite a good field. My son plays football here. That's not a pond, that is just a drainage pond. There's no fish in it yet. And this is some football courts and some tennis courts up here. You see that? And you can hire this hall for birthday parties and stuff. So if I go up really high, I'll show you the area I live in. It's called Great Western Park in Didcot. This used to be fields, what, 10 years ago, but they built 4,000 homes, and you can see it all there. And straight in front, you can see that's a brand new primary school. It's called Aureus School, that white building. In fact, let's go a bit forward. I'm not sure on our signal because there's a lot of trees here. But yeah, that's a almost brand new primary school. There's a drone there, I can still see it. I probably can only get that far because it's going behind the trees now. So if we come on back around. And I will fly this way. Losing a bit of signal because of the trees. Now this building here is a college. I forget what it's called. Hello, doggy. It's alright. It's okay.
No. Come on, doggy.
Hey, it's fine. Yeah, don't worry. Bye bye.
Come on, big boy. Let's go. Let's go.
That's a nice looking dog.
No.
Hey, it's okay.
Oh, right, I've got sausage in my pocket.
Sausage.
What's this?
So yeah, down here is a college. I believe like 14-year-olds can go to. Then we have an ASDA and an old people's home up here. So let's come on back. Bit of a playing field over here. Right. Let's go on sport mode and do some FPV sport. Now this would be insane, I think. The turns will be so tight. Right. Here we go. We're coming back. 15 meters a second, that's 35 miles an hour. So when I get to me, I'll make a hard right into the field. Just up there. Oh, it's so responsive in sport. So let's go on that hard right now. Whoa. So that is FPV mode in sport. As you can see, crazy fast. Can't even keep up. Right, let's go ahead and fly in between those 2 trees again. Let's lower our altitude. That strobe is pretty impressive. It's like a little airplane in the sky. Right. Right, we're 40 meters high almost. And we're going to head towards that tree and make a hard left. Yeah, it's pretty fast, isn't it? Let's try and look in straight now. So we're going forward and a hard right. That's fun, but it's making me feel sick. Right, let's come on back. Let's put her in normal mode now. Another thing I want to try is how far away we can see the strobe. So let's come back over our head. We are down there. Lower that gimbal. Right, so we are here. Oh, just kicked up a bit. Right, so we're going to fly out the field until we lose. Well, we're not going to lose visual line of sight, but we're going to see how far we can see. So let's spin around. Get towards those two trees again. Raise that gimbal up. Right, let's get forward. Actually, I might go lower. Let's go 30 meters. Let's go. Yep, can still see it. Still see it. Let's turn a bit left. Let's go up here this way. Still see it clearly. Raise that gimbal up. I think you're supposed to be able to see it from 2 miles away. But I doubt we go 2 miles. 500 meters, still can see it. Still see it. So this road here, the one in, not this one on the roundabout, this one here, that's called the A34. It's quite a busy road from north to south of England. I travel on it every day. It's a busy road. It is getting a bit small now, this road, so I think, to be honest, I'm not going to cross that road. The signal's still good though, 4 bars. Let's turn around in FPV mode. So where are those 2 trees? Here. Let's put her in sport, see how long it takes to get home. So we're 800 meters away. Let's go. Battery's still good, 45%. Oh, sudden gust of wind then. Probably get a strong wind warning. Meters away. I don't think I'll probably fly FPV mode because there's no real reason for it unless you're trying to get a dramatic shot of something, like winding down a river or something. Where are we? Should be around here. Oh, right. Let's go ahead and look at this building work over here because they're currently building some more houses over here. Flip out to normal mode. Lower that altitude a bit. Go 50 meters. I just want to get a view of the sun coming out of those clouds. It's what, probably an hour to sunset? Yeah, can you see that? That's quite a nice view, isn't it? All those clouds. Let's try to pan round slowly. come on back to that building site. Switch it to cine mode. So what we got? We've got some houses without any roofs on down there. A couple look finished. I believe that one with the roof is the garage, maybe. And these are, I'm not sure if that's one house or not. No, it can't be, because that's the size of one house there. There's a couple of cool diggers down there if you're into diggers. Yeah, I don't want to go any lower because there's power lines down there. So there's some concrete foundations for new homes. Piles of bricks there. Now there's some cars there, so I guess people are living in there. They build them pretty quick around here. And this over here is like a newish old people's home, nursing home. That's quite a nice modern building, that is. What we got? 24% battery. So this area, we'll spin the drone around, on this brown fields, that is all going to be houses within the next 10 years, I believe. Like all of that. Another 6,000 odd homes, I believe. And there will actually be another road off that roundabout going up that way. I think we'll just fly, well, it's almost out of battery, and return to home. Low battery, there you go. I'm going to click confirm. And just come on home for a hand catch. Hopefully I won't cut myself this time. Right, she's coming home. So what's that, a 17-minute flight? Probably 2 or 3 minutes to come home. It's always around 20 minutes on this drone. Which is alright, 20 minutes is long enough. Definitely worthwhile getting a spare battery though. 300 meters away. See how accurate I was, well, here. I don't think the camera's moved. That dog almost knocked the camera down just now. Lost signal there because I faced that way. Right, there she is. Lower that gimbal down. And that's pretty good. She's coming down. "44 meters. I like to stop it at 20 meters to do it manually. Oh, let's stop it now. Right, let's come down. We're in cine mode. It's always best to land in cine mode. Right, let's move. Try and get it on camera, the catch. Right. Spin the drone round. Will that be on camera? A bit left. Right, hand catch. Here we go. There you go. That was a successful flight. Stop recording. It was what, 19 minutes? And yeah, it's a great little drone. If you're new to this channel and thinking about buying a drone, if you can click my link, it will send you to the Amazon. I get a little bit of commission. Not sold anything yet, so I don't know how much. But yeah. So, see you on the next video. Have a good week, all of you. Days. See you later.